a My Jeep update, and yes, I'm working on another small project.
Warning, warning, not a how-to video.
And good morning, this is another My Jeep update, and it's April 15th, Monday. Okay, I'm preparing to do a little work on my generator, and the first thing I want to do, I don't have any fire. I'm going to, first of all, let me go back up. I'm draining my fuel because I'm going to remove the fuel tank. Okay, I got that set up. And what I'm going to do is, if you see that switch there, I've got to get this cover off. And to do that, there's 2 bolts in the back that I got to remove. And to do that, I've got to get this tank off. And what I'm going to do is check.
What are you gonna do,
low
Nothing.
oil pressure switch to see if it's bad. And I'll disconnect it, the white wire back there, and then I'll see if I got spark. Okay, if that gives me spark, that's the problem. And if it still doesn't give me spark, then it could be the switch, and then it could be the coil. So I'll try to I'll disconnect the switch and see if I can figure out how to connect it to the coil direct and see if I got spark there. If that doesn't work, then it's going to be the coil. If I can pin it down to the coil, then I'm going to order me one. And I may go ahead and take the carburetor off and clean it, but this thing's been running fine. And I just ran it about 3 months ago, and it ran great. So anyway, that's update out for now. Okay, my Jeep is back, and I'm going to show you I am doing a little work. Okay, I think it's out. Okay, that's one, it fell. Get this one out. Sorry about the bad photography. Since I'm one-arming it and I can't see because of reflection, that's why I'll be all over the place. Okay, here's the last one. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. It's still in a little bit.
And I have more work coming up on my trailer, including some welding.
Okay. Got one on the ground. No, 2 on the ground. One on the ground. Okay, there we go. Now I think there's some kind of, it's sealed. There we go. There's the gas tank, and there wasn't any seal there. I thought it might be because it's kind of stuck. But that's off, and I got a quick shot of the switch a while ago, and there's the switch. I'm going to disconnect that white wire which goes to the oil pressure sensor and see if I get spark. Anyway, this will give me clearance to get to that wire. It's rusty, and I'm just going to pull it off. I'm going to make sure it got good contact there because it could be just corroded inside there. And so I may experiment with that. I saw a dirt dauber somewhere. I don't know if that Yeah, there's a dirt dauber right there. Okay. Anyway, I'll get back with you after I do a little experimenting. Out.
I didn't realize it, but I've had this generator for 20 years. So long for now, and we'll see you on the next My Jeep update. Out.